In this video, I will be show how to be return data from new screen. In there is a two pages, home page and home detail page. In home page, I have passed some information to home detail page. In home detail page, there is another text field which label is send confirmation message to home screen. But on that go back button press, I have not done code yet to send back to the information to the home page. So we have to do one thing. We have to in the Navigator.pop there is another argument which is optional, which is result. Result is the optional argument, so I will send the text field value here. The text field value has saved in the confirm message text edit controller. Then I will text. That method will send back that information to the home page. The data which is sent from home detail page to home page will be get in this method by future. So we have to update this code. We have to use the sync method, and in this example I have written the string, so I will use the result equal to this, because the result is getting in the future, so we have to use the await. Now we have just sent only string, then we have not needed to cast any other type. Now let's toast this message. I will use this method. Let's update the code of this toast. Const. Let's run this code on iOS. You can also check this pass argument tutorial in my previous videos. Now type something in this edit box, press on go back. You can see that that this message I was sent from second screen to first screen. To pass this method, I have just used the Navigator.pop. In this method there is an optional argument is result. In that I have passed that edit text message here, and on home page I have used the futures method, so I have update the method by updating this method by using async and using await, and toast this message. Now let's some object from home detail page to home screen. There is an object form data. There is a two field, name and message. So I will use this object. Let's wrap this message in this object. Cut. Let's create the object form data. Second argument I have passed the static content. In home page I have sent the form data, so I have to cast on that type. Let's run this message again and print the let's run this code. Send form data. Send form data, a message is static. You can send any type of data from second screen to one screen, but you have to be cast where you get that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.